Okay, so this is section 3.4 and this is question 5. And it says use the following function to answer parts A through C. F of x equals x cubed plus 8x squared minus 32x minus 39. Part A says list all rational zeros that are possible according to the rational zero theorem. And you didn't seem to have any trouble with that. You got those correct. Negative 39, negative 13, negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3, 13, and 39. Then it says use synthetic division to test several possible rational zeros in order to identify one actual zero. So what you're doing is you're taking those numbers that you got in part A and using synthetic division, dividing those into x cubed plus 8x squared minus 32x minus 39, and seeing if you get a remainder of 0. If you get a remainder of 0 when you use synthetic division with those numbers in that polynomial, that means that that is a actual 0 of that polynomial. So what we need to do is we need to pick one of the numbers. I'm going to pick 1 this time. I'm going to put that in my box just like I did when I went to do synthetic division. Now at the top, I'm going to list those variables with their exponents. So I have a place for each one of them. X cubed, x squared, x, and a constant. Then I'm going to put the leading coefficients of those variables there. So I've got 1, 8, negative 32, and negative 39. Okay, now I'm ready to use synthetic division. I bring the 1 down. 1 times 1 is 1. Remember, it goes under that 8. 8 plus 1 gives me 9. I combine those. 1 times 9 is 9. Negative 32 and 9 will give me a negative 23. And then 1 times negative 23 is negative 23. And that's going to give me a negative 62. Okay, so I'm getting a remainder of negative 62, which means 1, x equals 1, is not a 0 of x cubed plus 8x squared minus 32x minus 39. Okay, so I'm going to try negative 1 this time because you said that was a possibility when we listed that. Okay, so I've got negative 1. I'm going to write my x cubed, my x squared, my x, and my constant again. I've got 1, 8, negative 32, negative 39. Now I'll bring down that 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. 8 and negative 1 is 7. Negative 1 and 7 is negative 7. That's negative 39. Negative 1 and negative 39 is positive 39. And that gives me 0. This time, since I got a remainder of 0, this means negative 1 is a 0 of x cubed plus 8x squared minus 32x minus 39. So in part B, where it says one rational zero of the given function is, in that box, we would write negative 1.